Hello and welcome to back to Refurb with Herb. You probably remember on the last show I got this really great box at a thrift store. It's pretty beat up, but it's not that bad. But I decided I'm gonna probably break it into multiple episodes because there's several techniques that we'll have to cover to properly fix the box. In this episode, we're going to be covering how to remove stickers from a box, from a cardboard, from a cardboard surface without tearing it. All you're gonna need for this is a fingernail, fingernail, and some hot breath. All right. So first thing you're gonna want to do with your box, your stickered up box, is you want to open it up, and actually I've got, it's a little hard to do with just my hands holding the camera here, so I have my friend Sammy here today.
Oh, hey.
Hi, Sammy.
Hi, hello.
To help me, would you grab the inside there? I'll hold this part of the box.
Okay, I'm grab it like this. Like grab it like this.
Yeah, that looks great. And pull it in a vertical motion upwards. I'm holding it. So there you go. And we'll get rid of all this boring stuff here. It's just kind of a plain white box.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's probably all right. And there is the router inside, as advertised on the box. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna take these stickers off. I think there's some on the back as well. Yeah, there's one there.
Yeah, right there. Yeah.
And thank you, Sammy. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna use our breath. And you're gonna try and get it moist with your breath. So maybe you can start to peel up the side, the corner there.
Maybe like a sponge or something.
No. This is, I mean, that's, oh yes, I mean that's one way you could do it, but
I'm gonna get you a paper towel.
No, it's all right. Sammy, I just needed you for the. I mean, thanks for offering, but then you're gonna kind of just work this off. You're gonna kind of just work it. A lot of these price stickers are kind of they're made in a way that's so that they're difficult. They're kind of perforated, so that they're hard to take off, but. A little bit more. Hot breath should do the trick here. Here we go. Oh, we're getting there. Great. That's beautiful. That looks really, really good. And you can probably just get the rest off.
There's some more stuff right there.
You could probably, thanks, Sammy. Thank you. You could probably just get the rest of it off with your thumb, or maybe like a moist paper towel.
Oh, I can get one for you.
Thanks, Sammy. So we've got our moist paper towel here. We'll just kind of.
Here, I'll hold it for you.
Thank you. In a counterclockwise motion, we'll kind of rub that. Rub it. And that looks great. That looks perfect. All right, so we'll go ahead and we'll do the sticker on the other side here.
Same process?
Yeah, we're gonna do the same process. There it is. And let me put that one over here with the other one. Stuck to my finger there. And then we'll just, thanks. Yeah, please hold that down. Thank you so much. And there we are. So as you can see here, we've successfully, with the hot breath technique, removed the stickers from both sides of the box. So that'll conclude today's episode. Tomorrow, not tomorrow, but the next episode, we'll start dealing with this nasty blowout here, and I'll walk you through some steps on how to make that good as new, how to fix it right up. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.